Hi, and welcome back to AWS Academy walkthrough for Lab 3, Introduction to Amazon EC2. We're coming back to Task 3, Update your security group and access the web server. When you launched the EC2 instance, you provided a script that installed a web server and created a simple web page. In this task, you will access content from the web server. Now, ensure the web server is still selected and choose the Details tab. As you can see from the previous lab, it had unselected when we closed out the previous menu, so we're going to reselect this. And as you can see, it already opened up the Details tab for us, but in case it didn't, make sure you click on the Details tab. Now copy the public IPv4 address of your instance to your clipboard. So under the details, you'll see in the middle column public IPv4 address, and we're going to copy this. And we're going to open up a new tab, and we're going to put this right into the address bar and hit enter. Question: are you able to access your web server? Why or why not? If you notice, it's not loading. So an explanation to this is that you are not currently able to access your web server because the security group is not permitting inbound traffic on port 80, which is used for HTTP web requests. This is a demonstration of using a security group as a firewall to restrict the network traffic that is allowed in and out of the instance. To correct this, you will now update the security group to permit web traffic on port 80. Keep the browser tab open, but return to the EC2 console tab. In the left navigation pane, choose security groups. So back to the console. And we're going to look for security groups in this left pane here, which is underneath the network and security section. Now select Web Server Security Group, which we're going to look for here under Security Group Name. You'll notice this selection on the bottom, Web Server Security Group. Now choose the Inbound Rules tab. The Inbound Rules tab will be down here at the bottom. We're going to pull this up a little bit so we can see the menu as much as possible. Right next to the details, we're going to select the Inbound Rules tab. The security group currently has no inbound rules. So as you can scroll down here, you see no security group rules found. Choose Edit Inbound Rules and select Add Rule and then Configure. So Edit Inbound Rules. And then we're going to add a rule. So we're going to select that. And then we're going to type in HTTP. But we're not going to type it in, I'm sorry. We're going to select the type HTTP under the type field by selecting the drop-down option, and then under source we're going to select anywhere IPv4. So we're going to find the source here, anywhere IPv4, and then choose Save Rules. Now return to the Web Server tab that you previously opened and refresh the page. You should see the message "Hello" from your web server. So back to the tab previously, and we're going to select Reload. And there it is, "Hello" from your web server. Congratulations, you have successfully modified your security group to permit HTTP traffic in your Amazon EC2 instance.